Yesterday, I received an email from a friend with a photo of what appears to be a new machine that supposedly is replacing the XP Deus 2. And I've seen several people ask questions about this, so I reached out directly to XP and said, hey, what is going on? I want to get this right, so I'm going to read to you verbatim what they sent to me. They said that these photos come from the U.S. testing organization, but they are not up to date. Moreover, the characteristics listed by the Ukrainian company are simply copied from the Deus 2 to generate buzz on their website, so they are not accurate. They confirmed with me that those pictures are not a replacement for the XP Deus 2. But I can tell you that what they reinforced is this is their premier detector. They've already made several updates to this machine and plan on doing so in the future. So I just wanted to pass along what they shared with me. I hope that helps quell some of the rumors. And in the meantime, if you haven't had a chance to check out my videos on this thing, give them a look. Plenty more coming. So as always, happy digging. Now let's take a look at the weather. Conditions are improving. It looks like it's a go for metal detecting. We'll be back with more after this message.